These are exciting times in welding as technology develops and pushes into the future. The importance of welding will not diminish in the technological world of tomorrow. The skill of welding will still require training and a conscientious practice. Skilled welding is much more than fusing two pieces of metal together. Skilled welders also understand the effects of welding on the base. There is a world of opportunity waiting for those who work hard to learn welding. Skilled welders will find jobs in transportation, for example in the production of trucks, trains, ships, and airplanes too, and building of steel structures such as skyscrapers and bridges. Those who learn this skill will gain self-confidence. The knowledge and ability that comes from learning a skill like welding also makes them contributing members to the growth of society. Technology needs people who want to be a part of building our industries as we move into the future. Welding will contribute to that growth. The certifications that you will receive as part of being a student in welding are your DOT Bridge certification. As you can see, there are many job opportunities available through having an education in welding. These jobs range from becoming a pipe welder with your high school trade education, and if you choose to continue your education in this field, you can pursue jobs like becoming a welder engineer and even a welding teacher.